Hello, my name is Ilana Kosenko. I'm a polymer clay artist from Latvia, and today I want to show you how to work with old, crumbly and hard clay. So usually when clay is just manufactured, it can be too soft. Yes, like this one. This is just manufactured Cernit translucent. Yes, when the clay is manufactured for about a year or something like such, it can be quite soft and easy to work with, like this one. For some of you, this one also will be hard. Yes, but I like such condition of clay. It's easy to work with, it holds its shape. But such clay you also can soften a bit. And now I have found one pack of clay. It is about 7-8 years old, and it's really hard. Here it is. It crumbles, and there are some ways how you can soften it. So I like to use special clay softeners for this, and here's one way you can make it. So, as clay softeners, you can use special liquids, for example, Magic Mix from Cernit or clay softener from Scalpi. These ones are liquid, looks like oil, and you need just some drops to make your clay softer. If you don't want to mix it by hand, you can mix it such a way with a roller. If you have a pasta machine, then you can condition it so it won't crumble, and then continue to work with pasta machine. Just some drops and your clay can be softer already. But still your hands won't be very tidy while you're making this. This clay do not color my hands, at least. But for example, red and other colors can transfer their color to your hands while working. So like this one, I need to work and mix it thoroughly so it become softer. Here. There was only 3 drops of Cernit Magic Mix in this piece of clay to make it softer. I usually make this with my pasta machine. It's easier and faster to condition such piece. But still you can see that this clay became workable. You need at least 5 minutes more to condition it. But now I will show you how you can proceed with this in another way. So if you do not like to mix polymer clay with your hands, you can use this kind of softening clay. Just like a cheese. I like this process. It's very fun. You can work also with your kids for this. So the pieces are small already. Now you need to take a small zip bag and place all this clay in the zip bag. Now, when it's in the zip bag, you also take this clay softener and add this. Do not add very much of clay softener, because you will receive the opposite result when the clay becomes too soft after softening. So, and now you can mix it such way. You can use the roller you can add more clay inside. For example, I can add this one. Here it goes. It's quite good already. You can use this in such a way, but you still need to condition it by hands also. Or the third way I usually soften my clay is just take this old piece, place in zip bag, for example like this. Also add a bit clay softener and forget about this piece of clay for months. Yes, then it's easier to condition it without anything, because for this month the extra clay softener that I have added will work on this old piece, and the clay will become softer, much softer. If you don't need this piece of clay immediately, this is the best way to soften your clay. Also, if you don't have such special softeners, Magic Mix or Sculpey, then you can use liquid clay for this. For example, Fimo liquid gel or Sculpey liquid polymer clays. It will be okay with liquid Sculpey, clear or bake and bond. Also, Cernit has Cernit liquid clay called Cernit glue. It also can be used. Any of these mediums will help you to soften your clay. I hope this video was helpful and you will use this to condition your old clay. Remember that polymer clay do not have the expiration date, and you can use also the clay that was manufactured 10 years ago. It's okay. So I hope this will help you. Bye.